Driving Intelligence community. Some time ago I did a video about repairing the vinyl on my boat with a 3M vinyl and leather repair kit. It's gotten pretty popular, but I've never used this on a vehicle, and I'm about to do that on my 2002 Harley Davidson F-150. I originally bought seat covers that are kind of okay to protect these leather seats because they're so nice. Here you can see my leather's in perfect condition. There is not a problem with it, just a little bit of wrinkling, which is normal with leather. But I want to keep these in perfect condition. So while in the boneyard, I found a leather-looking seat cover with the Ford logo on it. This thing is pretty cool. But I unfortunately had a couple tears in it, small tears that I didn't see previously. Comes with a headrest cushion and the bottom seat cushion is the back. And I've already repaired it with this vinyl repair kit. You can see here, it's not perfect, but this had been separated, and I used just the glue in here. I have not used the black out part of this to color match it, primarily because I didn't like the results on my boat using the color ink. But here's another location where I repaired it. You can hardly see it if you're far away. And I just pulled that little flap open. You can see it was cut. I pulled the flap up, put some of that glue in there, wiped it off so it's not shiny like this other location, and it's in very good condition now. So I'm gonna install these. Just shows you that my second time at it, it turned out not too bad. And if you wanna try this to repair small tears, go for it. I'll put a link for this product below, and I'll see you next time on Driving Intelligence.